Hello everyone, this is Bianca speaking, and today we are going to learn about the articles in Portuguese. I put some sentences and I also put the translation, and then I'll read it for you, okay? O brinquedo é colorido. Pay attention to the pronunciation because the name of the letter is O, but the article is U. We don't say O, we say U. O brinquedo é colorido. O prato é branco. Os garfos estão na mesa. As facas também estão na mesa. A maçã é vermelha. O protetor é útil para a pele. Os livros são úteis para a mente. As praias são bonitas. Ok, now let's check the indefinite articles. Eu tenho um livro azul. Uma pilha para o brinquedo. Eu visitei umas praias bonitas. Nós precisamos de uns garfos. Translations are here. So here's a resume to make it clear. Now pay attention because we have words that change the gender if they change the language. First of all, how do we know if a word is masculine or feminine? It's very easy. If the word ends in O, it's masculine. If it ends in A, it's feminine. However, this rule doesn't apply always. Okay, so here we have words that are feminine in Spanish, but masculine in Portuguese. I'm gonna read it for you. O nariz, o leite, o creme, o sinal, o hambúrguer, o pesadelo, o liquidificador, o sal, o sorriso, o sangue, o samba, o paradoxo, o protesto. Okay, so let's see now words that are masculine in Spanish but feminine in Portuguese. A origem, a fraude, a insônia, a margem, a coragem, a estante, a ponte, a pétala. And here we have a tip. Every word that ends in agem, they are feminine. A viagem, a coragem, a carruagem, a chantagem, a hospedagem, a porcentagem, a linguagem, a tatuagem. Okay, that's the end. I hope you have enjoyed. If you need private lessons, go to italki.com and search for me. Bye!